I mean, we were really motivated to find a stroke detection device because strokes are such a big problem that affected our lives personally and so many people we know. But coming up with a design that would really encapsulate all of the functions we wanted and finding that most efficient and practical design, it was a challenge, but I think we came up with the best one we could. Well, I think learning about strokes and going into detail was great, but having the opportunity to create a website, a video, a prototype, and write a scientific report was just something we didn't get in normal classrooms that we learned a lot from, and it was a lot of fun. Yes, actually, it helped me realize I really wanted to go with technology in the future after seeing all the potential biotech has in saving lives. And as a young person, especially a young woman in STEM, it's given me a lot of confidence to further exploring that in my future.